SR3 just showed up. Now I gotta get it out of the bed of the pickup somehow. Thinking I'm gonna come at it from the side. It's really going to be helpful. You know what? We'll leave it on for a minute. That might work. I might be able to get that chain kind of up over top of the bucket. Give me a little reach. Hey, Ethan. How long is your chain? Will it go up over the bucket so that it gives me more reach?
No, it's like...
Oh my lord.
I think I have to get a strap because I think it's slid on that chain.
Okay. So if you can get a strap back around this bar back here, the lip of that bucket will kind of keep it to where it's centered and I'm not banging it into the trailer. One of my only big complaints about this case skid steer is this situation right here, to where we need the bucket up, but I'm unable to open my door. That's what's nice about the roll-up door on like the Kubotas and stuff. But let's be honest, I'm not looking for an excuse to get out of the cab and do manual labor anyway, so I don't know why I'm complaining. This door design's great. I can continue to be a princess and have a legitimate excuse. If you can, get it over this bar right here. Don't take it back to itself. Get it on this bar. Back up? So yeah, take it back up and try to go, see that bar where the hydraulics are going under? On the bottom side of it is a lip. No, on the front, up there by the bucket. See that little piece where the hydraulic lines for the quick coupler are going? Forward. Yep, under. There's a little lip. You might be able to get that to hook onto. See where the quick coupler lines are down there? See that metal plate, the step? You see that metal plate, the step?
Yeah.
On the bottom side of that step, there's a little lip you might be able to grip.
Behind, like towards the bucket side?
Yeah, towards the bucket side. See, who says males are poor communicators? Get creative. You want to try it? Okay. I feel like this is just going to rattle apart at the seams as soon as I start putting weight on it. Who knows what kind of jankiness Ethan's got rigging up over there. Alright, let me tilt you back down. You ready? Keep your face back. Together. Maybe. Just a little love tap. attachment. It's an alternative to a Harley rig, but in my opinion, this does a much better job than a Harley rig, and it is far more versatile. You can already see the pass I just put down. You got a perfect seat bed right there. And this thing has got a little, let me make sure I got, oh, you can't see it because I'm not, my God, Brian, as a professional YouTuber, sweet Jesus, sometimes it just, I shock myself, ladies and gentlemen. So the way this thing works, it's got the rake out front, but further back on the attachment, you've got this little, almost like a box blade, and it grabs dirt and works almost like a land plane. And so just by me, it rides on the wheels, and just by me curling my bucket, I can let material go, or if I curl back towards the grade, it'll grab material. Sorry, I should really focus on talking or working. I'm not doing both apparently. But you can shove things around with those teeth in the front, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave my bucket kind of uncurled, grab some material, and then I'm going to slowly roll back so that I'm not creating a giant heap within the box blade. And then if I want to start to fan that material out, I'm just going to curl that bucket back towards me just like that, and you can blend really, really easy. That was a poor example, but it's just everything about this attachment. Once you kind of learn to finesse it, it is such a good attachment. And it makes finish work a breeze. So we'll go up here and start making some actual finish passes. It's getting hot. Material I was able to hold with that box blade. Now I can just angle her down, use the front rake, shove this right up. And that's the thing too, this attachment will push a lot of material. Just like that, we're done. Look at it. That was 15 minutes maybe with the SR3. Look at how beautiful that side is. Woo, looks nice. We're not responsible for the scrap wood. I don't want to hear about it in the comments. Just pipe down. Isn't that nice? Man, that is a barn pad and a half right there. So that's it on this one. I don't know what the plan is for the next one. It's Friday, so it'll be Monday. And Monday, I believe we have some sort of a water line dig up with our friends over at J Mills Plumbing and Pete Black Plumbing. They are together. So we will be hanging out with those boys. We'll see if we can do some filming on that job. We'll see what it entails. So yeah, you guys have a good weekend.